Hello Chubbies! Welcome to my channel. This is my secondary YouTube channel for travel, food, and much more traveling related. I hope my videos can be helpful for your travel needs. So sit back, grab your popcorn, enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. On this video, we're going to have a hotel tour in Capri by Fraser Hotel. This is the lobby area. It looks nice and modern, right? Capri's lobby is on the 14th floor. Beside the lobby, there's a social living space. You can play, hang out, and even play billiard. It's also connected to the Den, the restaurant and bar, which occupies 2 floors. You can have breakfast upstairs. This brand new Capri is located in Bukit Bintang, the exciting shopping and lifestyle area in Malaysia capital. Now let's see the room. Our room type is Studio Deluxe with twin bed. The room is equipped by a mini kitchenette with a microwave, water heater, kitchen utensils, mini fridge, trash bin, coffee and teas, plates and bowls, and they even prepared cloth napkins and baking gloves. On the cupboard, as always, there's a safe deposit box and on the other side, there is an ironing board, luggage storage, and bathroom. This small table and sofa on the corner is very useful for us to eat. The view from our room is also nice since we're on a high floor. Now let's see the bathroom. Everything looks clean and modern. There are hand and rain showers. standard amenities are provided. Overall, this room is great. It's new, clean, and comfy. Let's see the hotel facilities. First, the gym. The gym is on the 42nd floor. The gym is spacious, complete, and the view is great. Let's see what's downstairs. There is a football table. This room is called Spin and Play, where we can do our laundry and be entertained. This is a video game room. Now this is the swimming pool area. We can enjoy the beautiful city view from up here. This is a short bonus video of food stalls across the hotel. They offer a lots variety of delicious foods. That's all for this video. I hope this video will be useful for your hotel pick. Bye!